Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at RouterCAM, the sequence by numbers feature. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we'll go back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on RouterCAM's features, and today we're going to be looking at, like I said, sequence by numbers. Now, there's a few important things when using this feature that we're going to be covering. But just a quick overview, what it's going to do is, let's say you have your basic shapes. So I'm just going to, for example here, let's say we've got a rectangle, a circle, and then this hexagon looking thing. Then by default it will automatically cut it according to what's the closest and your cutting point to the furthest, so it will sequence it by itself. Now if you wanted custom ones, you could actually put in text fields of numbers and reorder the sequence. So you could have, instead of 1 2 3, you could always have it in reverse, or you can have like a odd one. So if you think you can optimize the speed more by numbering them, then you can always do that. Now when using this feature, there is a few important things to know. At the current version 3.3.9, you have to remove any other text in order for this function to work. So if I have this title on top, it will not do it by sequence, so I will have to, let's just remove that. And another thing that's very important is your text. These numbers must be text, so it can't be a shape. So if I had to go into my text tool, then I must be able to change it to another number, so that is text. Another important thing is it must be directly over the shape, so it must touch basically the borders of it in order for this also to work. And then the last step, which is quite important, is they all have to be the same color. So I'm going to just quickly change this one. Let's make our shapes red, it'll be easier. So obviously you can have red, blue if you want, or just all one color as well. So I'm just going to do that for now, make them all red. And then they also have to be all on the same layer, which in my case they are. It should be by default. If you make them all together, it should already be on the same layer. And then what you want to do is select your shapes you want to cut by number. Then under our actual plugin, we don't have to worry about toolpaths. We want to go here to this NC program, and then we have these automatic ones. So we've got create G-code, automatic contour milling. Then we've got one for automatic contour engraving and automatic contour cutting. I'm just going to preview the cutting for now. So if we had to click this, and then we have to make sure it is selected here, numbered sequence. So if it's on automatic toolpath, it's going to find its own path. So let's go number by sequence, or numbered sequence, say OK, and then it will generate us a automatic one here. But I'm just going to move these shapes so we can actually see the cutting path. Otherwise it's a bit hard to see where did it go. So let's try that again, say OK, and then I'll update it. Now if I make this full screen, we can see it starts by number 1 over there, it goes to number 2, then number 3, which is it's a handy tool to have, you know, to if you want to have custom sequences. So just quick update or run through again of the important things. So you have to remove all text other than the numbers. The text has to be exactly over the lines, or must intersect with the lines of the shape you want to cue it to, and they must all be the same color in order for it to work. But yeah, otherwise that is it on sequence by numbers. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares to do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.